SEG fabric frame that is edge lit together. So to start, you want to make sure you've got all four pieces of your frame. You've got the left, the right, the top, and the bottom. The tool that you'll need is either a ratchet or a key. That's going to be a 7/16. This is not provided. And gloves. These will be provided. So to start, you want to line up your numbers, number 1 to number 1. So you're going to grab your first section, this being the wall side, this being the showing side. You're going to put it down on a clean surface. Now, for the first step, you make sure obviously that your 1 is going to your 1, and then you insert this aluminum part into this channel, the bigger aluminum part into the bigger channel, as so, and then around here on this back corner, there's another channel for this screw, this square screw, to fit into it. So you have to align it in order to insert into the channel. Close your corner shut. Make sure that your corner is closed properly. And then you would grab your ratchet. Hold your corner shut. Tighten your bolt down. And now you have your first corner set up. You would repeat this process for all 4 corners. The next, put the rest of the corners together, but we're going to speed through it. Will be to connect your electrical cables in each corner. There's only one way that they can get plugged in together. Like so.
So now, using the gloves that have been shipped, JP is going to unfold the back panel. And here he's showing where the hole is. That's where the cable is going to run. So he's going to start by putting that through. Like that. Okay, so now JP is taking the back panel
with this lip
and making sure that it lines up with the silicone, the edge. So starting with the corners, he's going to fold the fabric panel into the edge of the frame, starting with a corner, and then he's going to go to the next corner and do the exact same thing. So now that the corners are in, he's gonna push down at the center, and then from there he's gonna push outwards to from this to the center, and another center, And now he's just gonna smooth it all out. So now the back panel is fully assembled and the fabric is tight on the frame. So now JP is flipping the frame over so that he can install the printed panel on the front of the frame. So he started with the back panel just so that the printed panel can remain nicely clean during the entire installation process. So he's setting it up, and it's going to be the exact same process. So he's going to start with the corners, and he's going to do the 4 corners before moving on to the next step. He's pushing the fabric down in the middle, then in the middle of that part, and then smoothing it over. Okay, perfect. And now it's done. So the last step, of course, from here is to mount the frame and to plug it in.